All right, guys, we're going to identify corresponding sides when you have a triangle inside a larger triangle. So what I'm going to do is I am going to shade in the small triangle, and then I'm going to take it out so you can see it. So for the small triangle, it will be D, B, and E. Now, for the bottom of triangle DBE, I don't have a value, so I'm going to put X. On the right side, it is 4. Now I'm going to go to the large triangle, and I'm going to trace it using a different color. All I'm doing is separating them so I can see it and not make any mistakes. So what I've learned is when kids don't separate it, they'll just say that the large is 4 or the large is 2. And sometimes star will give you the entire dimension, and sometimes it wasn't. It doesn't. It just depends. So in this case, it gave us 4 and 2, but 4 or 2 is not the dimension on the right side of a large triangle. It's actually 6. So you got to be careful, because star is known for trying to trick you, because it is what it is. Now the bottom of the large triangle, or the base, is 7.5. Now if you were going to solve it, I'm going to go to the left side of the screen, or even set up a proportion. Now, as proportion are 2 equivalent ratios. So for the large, I will put 6 and 7.5. And then I know that 7.5 corresponds to X. So I'm going to put X here. And I know 4 corresponds to 6. Now, at this point, you could start to solve it. I'm not going to use this video for that. I think the hardest part is setting up the proportion. You will be expected to set up proportions on star and not even solve them in 7th grade. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.